Hello, beautiful planner people. Even though I am behind by a couple of weeks in my memory planner, I definitely want to just, do a little lineup. I've seen these a lot with, regular sticker kits, regular, not digital, just like physical planners and people just showing what they're going to be using for the next month. And I think that is so much fun. So why not try to get organized in our digital planners as well with our kits? For the first week, I do already have in mind the kit that I want to use, which is this one called Love Story by the Planner Shack. And as you can see, it's so gorgeous. It's not really like a typical Valentine's Day type of kit, but look at that. It says, I love you, love you, love you. If you like writing letters, it's so romantic. It does have like love notes, I love you. I think it's super cute. It does have a lot of like autumnal vibes, mainly because of the browns and really deep colors, but I don't care. I really want to use these, so I'm just gonna write that down. We have our first week. The next one is still not Valentine's Day, so maybe we won't get so lovey-dovey yet. I do have a little bit of organization here. As you can see, I have all of these folders with different themes. So I have like Halloween, witches, characters, Christmas, fandom, etc. And I do have one for love/Valentine's. And I've realized I only have about 3 kits. So I have this one, Doing Love by Planner Pixie Co. I really like this. I think it's really cute. I do really like this one. One for Me by Planner Pixie Co. This is more a fandom sort of kit. You can see like the little baby Yoda. This is so freaking cute. This is the one that I just absolutely love. This is Love Spell by Pansy Prints. I think I actually have a video using this from a couple of years, and that is it. I definitely want to use these again. I love the colors. I love the theme. I love all of the full boxes. I love these. So I definitely want to use Love Spell by Pansy Prints, and I think I'm going to use that next week. So the actual week of Valentine's Day, I do know that I have this one. It's not specifically like Valentine's Day related, but I think it's so beautiful, so romantic with all the flowers. So I want to use that maybe on the second week. Okay, so we're just missing the last week. I put them under mystical, but I feel like this could be so cute for... Oh, this one. You guys, we have to use this. Serenity by Pink Planner Shop. How cute is this? This is definitely inspired by Sailor Moon. Oh, how cute. Yes, like that. This is the vibe that I want. Like, it looks so romantic and so beautiful, but it's not full on filled with hearts, Those are going to be the 4 different kits that I'm going to be using in the month of February. I'm all said and done. It's nice because I feel like I have a variety of shops. I do definitely want to check what foils I want to use. I mean, definitely for the first one, which is going to be Love Story. For this one, oh my goodness, I feel like something more bronzy. I mean, I could use gold, would be really beautiful. I feel like even silver will look good with these, but I feel like definitely I'm gonna have to add more bundles to the shop. I will have more of them available. I definitely want to have the hearts. Do I want to use hearts? Because I feel like this doesn't have hearts. I think this will actually look really good with the bows bundle. I think the copper though is the one that's gonna look the best with this kit, just because of all of the browns and deeper, darker tones. Yes, I can totally see this copper. I think this is gonna be fantastic. Copper with this kit for sure. So I'm just gonna add really quickly a note to myself so that I know exactly what I want and what I have in mind, because sometimes I just completely forget about. So I'm gonna use these little boxes to put the foil that I'm gonna be using. And the next one we have Fleur. I think this would be fantastic with lavender. Don't you think? Or, oh, it could be lavender or baby pink. We can also do, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and use the hearts, but I kind of want to use the hearts for the, I am gonna be making bundles for the locks as well. So hopefully for this month, I will already have the locks fall bundles, and then I just need to select either if I want to do the lavender, which I mean makes sense to go with lavender for this one, right? Or I think it would be even prettier with baby pink. Oh my gosh, I think I like the baby pink better. Maybe I can mix with lavender and baby pink. I think I'm gonna actually have to do that. So we're gonna do a mixed metal for this between lavender and baby pink, or maybe I'll just decide, but I know that I have those two options, and I definitely want to do the Lux. First, Love Spell by Pansy's Brains. I definitely will be using the hearts for that one. Either the red, the baby pink, I think even silver would be so pretty. I think I'm gonna do a mix between the red and the silver. Because I feel like using bougie boxes in red and then just using everything like the frames and the bottom wash and all of that in silver would look so cute. Just because this girl do have this like white hair, I think it will look really pretty. Definitely red, and like the red would really pop, but I don't know if this is the perfect red for these. Maybe not. I think the baby pink would also look really, really cute. But like the silver will pop really beautifully with this kit. I think I'm gonna do silver. I think it's just gonna pop really nicely. So let's do silver hearts for this one. If you feel like you don't like my combos and you have a cooler, better idea, definitely let me know in the comments. Because like right now I can kind of put these together, but when I'm planning and I actually, use the stickers on top and all of that, I might not like the combination and change it. But if you have a good eye and you're like watching, you're just like, no, you need to use this foil or that other stickers, or that other sticker kit, or mix the bundles, like, I don't know. Maybe you have a better idea, definitely let me know what you guys think. And then the last one, which is Serenity. I am coming also with some Celestial foil bundle, so that's gonna be definitely a Celestial. And we can do either the baby pink or lavender. I like the lavender, but I feel like, I like the lavender, but I feel like we need a more warm, like, I feel like this looks so, I don't know, maybe I'll do like a rainbow. What do you guys think? I definitely should make a rainbow Celestial one. That's what we're going to make. And I'm also going to add that into my to-dos. So that would be, I think, the bundles or the sticker kits that I want to use. My sticker kit lineup for the month of February. Definitely let me know your opinions, and if you have any foil bundles, stickers, anything that you're excited to use for the month. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you, beautiful planner girls, in my next video. Bye!